Nestled amidst the rugged beauty of northern Pakistan lies the unassuming town of Jamal Garhi. Located just 13 kilometers from the bustling city of Mardan in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province, this small town rests at an elevation of 357 meters above sea level. While seemingly ordinary at first glance, Jamal Garhi harbors a secret, the remnants of a glorious past, whispering tales of an ancient civilization and a rich cultural heritage. It is here amidst the quiet hills that the echoes of history resonate, inviting us to journey back in time and explore the hidden gem that is Jamal Garhi. The town's location, south of the Paja Ridge that separates the Lundkhwar and Sudam valleys, adds to its mystique. This strategic position, overlooking the valleys, hints at its historical significance as a vital point for trade and cultural exchange. Jamal Garhi, though small in size, holds within its embrace a wealth of history, archaeology, and natural beauty, waiting to be discovered and appreciated by those willing to venture off the beaten path. Stepping into Jamal Garhi is akin to stepping back in time, where the echoes of ancient chants seem to linger in the air. The town is renowned for its ancient Buddhist monastery, a site that has captivated historians and archaeologists alike. This monastery stands as a testament to a period when Buddhism flourished in this region, spreading its teachings far and wide. Dating back to the 2nd to 5th centuries AD, these ruins offer a window into a world long past. The ruins of this once grand monastery stand as silent witnesses to a bygone era, their stones imbued with the wisdom of centuries. The main stupa, an imposing structure that once housed sacred relics, dominates the site, drawing the eye with its sheer presence, its crumbling walls whispering tales of piety and devotion, each crack and crevice telling a story of its own. Surrounding the main stupa are the remnants of smaller chapels, each one a fragment of the larger spiritual mosaic. Their walls adorned with intricate carvings that have braved the passage of time. These chapels speak of an era rich in artistic expression. A water tank, once a source of life and purity for the monks who resided here, stands as a reminder of their simple yet profound existence. This ancient reservoir, though now dry, once provided sustenance and spiritual cleansing to its inhabitants. Scattered across the site are votive stupas, smaller replicas of the main stupa, each one a testament to the faith of the pilgrims who journeyed here centuries ago. These votive stupas, though modest in size, carry immense spiritual significance, marking the devotion of countless followers. Jamal Garhi, with its evocative ruins, offers a glimpse into the spiritual heart of ancient Gandhara, a region where Buddhism flourished and left an indelible mark on the cultural landscape. The cultural landscape of Gandhara is forever enriched by these ruins, a testament to the enduring legacy of Buddhism in this historic region. Jamal Garhi's importance as a site of historical significance was first recognized in 1848 when Sir Alexander Cunningham, a pioneer of Indian archaeology, stumbled upon its hidden treasures. His discovery marked the beginning of a long journey into the past, unveiling the rich tapestry of history that lay buried beneath the earth. Since then, the site has been a subject of fascination for archaeologists and historians alike, drawing experts from around the world to uncover its secrets, revealing layer upon layer of history with each excavation. Each dig has peeled back the layers of time, offering glimpses into the lives of those who once walked these grounds. In 1852, Colonel Lumsden took a decisive step, opening the main stupa to reveal the secrets it held within its ancient heart. This bold move provided a wealth of information about the religious practices and architectural ingenuity of the time. Subsequent excavations, such as those conducted by Lieutenant Crompton in 1871, unearthed a treasure trove of Buddhist sculptures, each piece telling a story of artistic excellence and spiritual devotion, many of which now grace the collections of the British Museum and the Indian Museum in Kolkata. These artifacts serve as a bridge connecting us to a bygone era. More recently, in 2012, excavations funded by Japan and UNESCO shed further light on the history of Jamal Garhi. These modern efforts have brought new technologies and methodologies to the site, enhancing our understanding of its historical context. These excavations yielded fascinating artifacts, including coins dating back to the reign of King Huvisha, which provide valuable insights into the economic and political landscape of the time. A beautifully crafted Buddha statue, showcasing the artistic skills and religious fervor of the ancient craftsman, a terracotta plate bearing inscriptions in the ancient Kharosthi script, which has provided linguists with crucial data for understanding ancient languages and scripts, and evidence of a once thriving lake, indicating the environmental and geographical changes that have occurred over the centuries. These discoveries have not only enriched our understanding of Buddhism in the region, but have also provided invaluable insights into the daily lives and cultural practices of the people who inhabited this site centuries ago. The ongoing research and excavations at Jamal Garhi continue to reveal new facets of its historical significance, ensuring that this ancient site remains a vital link to our shared human heritage. Beyond its historical riches, Jamal Garhi is enveloped in a natural tapestry woven with threads of rugged beauty and serene tranquility. The landscape here is a harmonious blend of rugged terrain and peaceful vistas, offering a unique contrast that captivates the senses. The region experiences a semi-arid climate characterized by distinct seasons, each painting a different hue onto the landscape. From the vibrant colors of spring to the muted tones of autumn, the changing seasons bring a dynamic beauty to the area. Summers are warm and dry, with temperatures often exceeding 30 degrees Celsius, while winters bring a touch of chill to the air, with temperatures hovering around 10 degrees Celsius. The stark contrast between the hot summers and the cooler winters adds to the region's diverse climatic charm. Rainfall is relatively scarce, with most of it occurring during the monsoon season, which typically arrives in July and lingers until September. The monsoon rains bring a brief but welcome respite to the dry landscape, rejuvenating the flora and fauna. The landscape surrounding Jamal Garhi is as captivating as its history. The ancient ruins are set against a backdrop of natural beauty that enhances their mystique and allure. Rolling hills, blanketed in shades of brown and green, stretch out towards the horizon, their slopes dotted with shrubs and hardy trees that have adapted to the arid conditions. These resilient plants add a touch of life to the otherwise stark landscape. The air is often filled with the scent of wild herbs and the sound of birdsong, creating a sense of peace and solitude that is both refreshing and rejuvenating. This natural symphony provides a serene soundtrack to the picturesque surroundings. The nearby Indus River, a lifeline for the region, flows serenely, its waters reflecting the azure sky and the passing clouds. This majestic river not only sustains the local ecosystem, but also adds to the scenic beauty of Jamal Garhi. Section 5. A land of contrasts, ecological diversity. While the landscape surrounding Jamal Garhi may appear arid at first glance, it harbors a surprising diversity of life. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, the province in which Jamal Garhi is located, is known for its diverse ecosystems, ranging from the fertile plains of the Indus River Valley to the towering peaks of the Karakoram Range. This ecological diversity is reflected in the flora and fauna found in the region, albeit not extensively documented specifically around Jamal Garhi. Forested hills, home to a variety of trees, shrubs and wildflowers, provide refuge for a range of animal species, including birds, reptiles and small mammals. The Indus River and its tributaries support a unique ecosystem teeming with fish and other aquatic life. Unfortunately, the encroachment of human settlements and the effects of climate change pose challenges to the delicate balance of this ecosystem. Section 6. Reaching the gem, access and challenges. Despite its historical and natural significance, Jamal Garhi remains relatively unknown to the outside world. Its remote location, while adding to its mystique, also presents challenges in terms of accessibility. The 13-kilometer journey from Mardan to Jamal Garhi, though short in distance, can be a bumpy one as the road leading to the site is not well maintained. This lack of proper infrastructure poses a hurdle for tourists and researchers alike, limiting the number of visitors who can experience the magic of Jamal Garhi. Furthermore, the lack of awareness about the site's importance means that it does not receive the attention it deserves, both in terms of tourism and conservation efforts. Section 7. Preserving the legacy conservation efforts. Recognizing the importance of preserving Jamal Garhi's rich heritage for future generations, conservation efforts are underway, spearheaded by organizations such as UNESCO and the government of Japan. These efforts focus on documenting, protecting, and restoring the archaeological remains, ensuring that they can continue to stand as testaments to the past. Conservation efforts also extend to raising awareness about the importance of preserving the natural environment surrounding Jamal Garhi. Local communities are being engaged in initiatives aimed at promoting sustainable practices and mitigating the effects of climate change. While challenges remain, these efforts offer a glimmer of hope for the future of this hidden gem. Section 8. A call to explore and protect. Jamal Garhi, with its ancient ruins, serene landscape and unique biodiversity, stands as a testament to the enduring power of history and the importance of preserving our planet's cultural and natural heritage. It is a place where the past and present converge, inviting us to reflect on the journey of humanity and our connection to the natural world. As we move forward, it is our collective responsibility to ensure that this hidden gem continues to shine brightly for generations to come. By supporting conservation efforts, promoting sustainable tourism, and raising awareness about the importance of Jamal Garhi, we can help protect this treasure and share its wonders with the world. Let us answer the call to explore, appreciate, and preserve the legacy of Jamal Garhi, ensuring that its stories continue to inspire awe and wonder for centuries to come.